everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Very tasty, delicious Chapli Kabab. These Chapli Kebabs from ground lamb meat, or we can say lamb patties. Today I will show you how to make delicious lamb patties or Chapli Kabab. And let's get started. The ingredients we need: ground lamb. This is the 1 pound lamb, 16 ounce, 454 gram. The other ingredients: olive oil, 1 small red onion, 1 tomato, 2 potatoes, and these are boiled potatoes, 1 egg, half cup besan, which is gram flour, half teaspoon each turmeric powder, ajwain, which is carom seed, and cumin seed, salt, black pepper, cumin, coriander, garam masala 1 teaspoon each, dry cilantro 2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon green chili, and 1 teaspoon ginger. The first step will be, I'm going to move all these things back and we're going to get the mixing bowl. This is ground lamb and you just need to press it. Once you take it out the packet, you just make sure that you break it open like this. One tip I wanted to share with you: you can combine all these spices with the hand and mix it really well. If you don't plan to use your hand and you want to use a fork or something, then this is the best alternate. Put this one away. Get a small bowl like this. Add all these spices: cumin, coriander, garam masala, salt, black pepper, and cilantro, all the dry spices, turmeric, carom seed, cumin seed, ajwain, and gram flour. Now combine it well. Once they are nicely combined like this, so it's a good idea to combine the dry spices separate. Now we can push this one back and bring the ground lamb. Now we're going to add ginger and green chili. Once you added that you combine it well like this. And now we're going to add onion and tomato. Once all these added, with the help of 2 forks, just make sure that you mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add olive oil. Add olive oil 2 teaspoons and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add eggs and mix it well again. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to bring the potatoes. I'm going to use my potato masher and place the potato inside both of these potatoes, and we're going to squeeze it. So once it's nicely squeezed out, and mix it again. So these are boiled potatoes. Once they are nicely combined, now we're going to bring all the dry spices. And we're going to add dry spices slowly like this. You add it like this, then we can combine it. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add again. So like a 2 or 3 times, you add dry spices like this and the gram flour and mix it again. Once all the spices are nicely combined, and this is the last time, the third time. Mix it again. This way, when you add spices like this, all the dry spices are nicely combined, they are evenly distributed. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and let it sit 10 minutes. Then we're going to make our Chapli Kababs. We waited for 10 minutes to open it. Get some oil. Just do like this. Put it on your palm, then on your finger, and we're going to get like this big, like a ball, and we're going to make a Chapli Kabab. So this is going to be the lamb patties. We can call it lamb patties or Chapli Kabab. Look at this, very delicious. So I'll place it in a plate, get some more oil. This way it won't stick to your fingers and your hand. Get a good size. Once you add it, make sure that you press it like this. If they break open on the side, just press it like this. And this is the good size. So I'm going to place it in a plate again. And I will show you one more. Again, add some oil. Get a good size. And I'm going to keep continuing making the same way, the Chapli Kabab. So this is the last one. We have 8 and 9 of these. If you make it smaller size, then you can make more, but I make it really jumbo size. So this is all ready. Now we're going to go on our burner and we're going to cook them. Start burner. Keep gas on high. Add some olive oil. Make sure the bottom is nicely coated. And once pan heats up, then we're going to bring the gas to medium. So as the pan heats up, this is what we're going to do. Bring the gas to medium. Now we're going to grab the Chapli Kabab and we're going to place it on a fry pan. And we're going to cook them. And it's always a good idea to cook them on medium gas, as I showed you. We heat up the pan. Now we're going to keep placing the Chapli Kabab. These are very delicious, tasty lamb patties. If you make a jumbo, then you can lay out less. If you make a smaller one, then you can add always more. We're not going to touch it. Let it cook slowly, slowly. And depending on your burner and pan, it can take longer or less time. So I'm not going to specify the time. Keep watching. When it gets cooked halfway, then we're going to flip them over. It's exactly cooking for 5 minutes. Now we're going to flip them over. Look at this, very delicious color. So just be careful when we are flipping them over. And cook it on medium gas. Don't cook it on high gas. So the first 5 minutes we cook on this side on a medium gas. Now I'm going to bring the gas to low. So cook it for 10 minutes. When you cook for 10 minutes, it's going to be fully cooked. Then only thing we need to do, flip them over and cook for like a minute or so. It's a 10 minutes cooking on a low gas. And if we check now, look at, very delicious looking. Now we can bring the gas on medium again. And now we're going to press it like this. So now we're going to cook 2 minutes on medium flame on this side. Another 2 minutes of cooking on this side. Now I'll turn it over. And we're going to cook only 1 minute. The Chapli Kabab, the lamb patties are all ready. So on medium gas, cook 1 more minute. Another minute of cooking. Now I'm going to take these out. I have a paper towel placed in the plate, so we'll soak up any extra oil. Very delicious. In the same oil, we're going to place the other patties. Just like this. So we're going to cook it the same way. 5 minutes on this side, then bring the gas to low, then we'll cook on 10 minutes on this side, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Within 20 minutes, our Chapli Kebab, the lamb patties are ready. You've seen it. It's so easy to make and so delicious, super delicious. If you haven't tried ground lamb, please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.